experiment to see how sound travels through different mediums. And I'm going to look a little silly, but this is really cool. So you're going to need string or yarn. I don't have either of those. And I couldn't get them from the store with my, when you just order for pickup. So I did find an old t-shirt that I'm going to cut into strips. And I also have the thread. So I'm going to try the thread and the t-shirt and see what happens. What we're going to do is cut the strips of shirt, tie them onto a hanger, and then use that to hear different sounds. Now, I have a wire hanger that's metal. I have a plastic hanger. I was looking for a wood hanger, but I don't have one. But if you have a wood hanger, you could try that too. I want to know how does sound travel differently through a metal hanger, plastic hanger, wood hanger? What happens when I hit this hanger on different things? How is the sound different? So I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to come back and show you how I'm cutting. Okay, so I cut strips like this from the t-shirt. So I cut the sleeve because it has a long sleeve. But if you have a short sleeve shirt, you can also cut around the waist. So it doesn't matter, just cut thin strips. I cut 4 because I want to test on 2 different hangers, plastic and metal. And I don't want to have to untie and retie. So here's the plastic hanger. And all I did was just tie the strips. And then they're just left hanging like that. And then for the string, the thread is really, really, really thin. So I doubled it, hoping that would help hold it better. So I have the thread so far tied to the metal hanger. So now I have to tie my t-shirt to the metal hanger. Okay, so now I have, now I have a metal hanger and a plastic hanger that both have t-shirt. And then I'm going to do the same for the yarn. I'm going to tie the yarn to this one. And then I will have all my hangers set up.
We're doing an experiment with clothing hangers with thread or this cloth stuff. And we can do it on metal or a table. You wrap a little bit around your hand or your finger and make sure it's even. Put your hands or your finger right here, but not in your ear, that's gross. And then you bang it on the table and you can hear a sound.
And if you don't put it in your ears, you hear one sound.
Yeah.
But if you put your fingers against your ear, it's different. So there's a difference between the sound traveling through the medium of air and a sound traveling through the medium of the string to your fingers to your ear. So you try it out. Try it on different materials. I'm going to go hit the refrigerator. It's metal. The stove is metal. The cabinets are wood, like the table. I want to know, well, how is it different on different sounds? So if you try this, email us. What'd you find out? Thanks.